What if I told you that ChatGPT, Claude, Gemini, and Perplexity could each become a different kind of mentor for your CAT, XAT, or NMAT prep? Not one tool, four tools, four superpowers. Stick around because by the end of this video, you'll know exactly which AI to open for which task. This is your complete guide to AI powered MBA prep for CAT, XAT, and NMET. Let's get into it. Quick tip before we start. If you ever feel stuck on your MBA prep strategy, Careers 360 offers free counseling. Just send hi on WhatsApp to the number on your screen. Now, let's talk AI. Here's why AI is such a big deal for your preparation. First, it's a 24/7 study companion, instant doubt clearing, custom learning plans, real time feedback like a mentor who never sleeps. Second, it's personalized, no more rigid timetables. AI gives you practice questions tailored to your pace. And third, it's about efficiency. You're not studying longer, you are studying smarter, simplifying tricky concepts and building schedules that actually fit your life. Let's start with ChatGPT, the most versatile tool on this list. It explains concepts, checks your answers, and helps you revise faster. For CAT, it covers everything step by step quant explanation, fresh LRDI practice sets, and VARC reading comprehension passages. For XAT, it's brilliant for decision making. It can generate ethical case studies and it will sharpen your essay writing too. And for NMAT, use it for speed, timed quant quizzes, and rapid vocabulary drills to build accuracy under pressure. Next up, Claude. This is your go-to for deep understanding. It's excellent at processing long documents and breaking down complex concepts in a way that actually makes sense. Its real strength, mock analysis. Feed it your mock test report and it'll spot your recurring mistakes and performance gaps. It's also perfect for writing and logic heavy tasks. Think XAT essay structuring and breaking down critical reasoning arguments piece by piece. Now Gemini, if you live in Google Docs and Google Sheets, this one's for you. It integrates smoothly with Google Workspace, so managing notes and timetables becomes effortless. It's also great for visual learners, explaining quant concepts visually and building quick formula revision sheets. And for daily tracking, brainstorming XAT essay topics, summarizing current affairs, and keeping your NMAT study goals on track. Then there is Perplexity AI, your research assistant. Unlike the others, it blends AI answers with real web sources and actually cites them. So you can verify everything. This makes it the best tool for XAT. Summarizing business news and editorials you need for analytical writings and essays. It's also great for resource discovery, finding fresh prep material, comparing mock test providers, and keeping up with exam notifications. So, which one should you actually use? Is this the question? So, here's the answer. Well, this is the cheat sheet. If I talk about for ChatGPT, daily learning and practice, study plans, quant, LRDI, mock analysis, even interview prep. Just have a look over here. If I talk for Claude, basically, deep learning and writing improvement, concept explanation, essay review, reading comprehension, mock analysis. Moving ahead with Gemini. Perfect if you are already using Google Workspace. Daily revision, productivity, quick explanations. Perplexity AI, your XAT research partner. Yeah. Current affairs and trusted study resources. What's a pro tip that I want to give you? You don't have to pick just one. Smart aspirants use 2 to 3 of these together. Now, let me help you over here. Let's make this actionable. And here are copy-paste prompts you can use right now. For CAT, ask ChatGPT to create a 6-month CAT study plan for a beginner studying 4 hours daily. For Quant, ask it to explain time, speed, and distance from basic to CAT level with solved example. Okay, now you need LRDI practice. Here it is. Ask for a difficult CAT LRDI set with detailed solution. For VARC, request a CAT level reading comprehension passage with 5 questions. And you know what? After every mock, ask it to analyze my CAT mock mistakes and suggest a strategy. Now, thinking about that? Okay. Ask for 5 decision-making case studies with explanation. Get your essay evaluated by asking it to evaluate my ZAT essay and suggest improvements. Need practice? Yeah. Request 15 ZAT level critical reasoning questions with solutions. You can even run a mock interview by asking it to conduct a mock MBA interview, 1 question at a time. And yes, now for NMAT. Ask for 30 NMAT quant questions to solve in 20 minutes. In order to build speed, for vocab, request 30 important NMAT words with meanings and examples. You can also generate a timed logical reasoning quiz or ask AI to design a full 30-day revision timetable. Dear ones, that's your complete AI toolkit for CAT, ZAT and NMAT prep. If this helped, hit subscribe. I'm posting more AI study hacks and MBA prep strategy every week. And remember, for free counseling, just WhatsApp hi on 70 422 33668. See you in the next one.